With Vegas Movie Studio HD Platinum, you can easily burn your timeline directly to disk. You can create audio CDs as well as single-play DVDs and high-def Blu-ray discs that will play in any standard DVD or Blu-ray player. When you render your project, you can choose from a number of formats and templates that create the exact file you need. Notice that some of the templates are preceded by an equal sign. This indicates that the template matches your current project settings for frame size, pixel aspect ratio, and frame rate. This is very helpful information because you know that what you get when you render to one of these templates will be what you see in your project's video preview window. For those cases when you need a specialized file, you can customize your render settings for professional level rendering, including MPEG formats. The Device Explorer window makes it easy to get files from your AVC HD camera and hard disk recording unit or memory stick devices into your project. Your device appears on the left side of the Device Explorer window. Thumbnails for each clip on your device appear on the right side of the window. You can preview a clip, and then add it to your project media list so you can use it later. Or drag it directly into your timeline. The gradient wipe transition uses the different shades of an image to transition from one video clip to another. This creates some very interesting effects. Select one of the presets and then adjust the individual parameters to change the look of the transition. But the transition gets really interesting when you add your own custom artwork. For instance, you could use your own artwork to reinforce the theme of your video with a transitional element that matches the video's topic or content. You can work with up to 10 audio and 10 video tracks in your project. Spread out your edits on multiple tracks. Layer multi-track audio mixes with sound effects, music, voiceover, and location audio. Create complex video composites in lower thirds. This gives you the ability to push the limits of your creativity. You can instantly match the length of generated media to the length of the event that holds it with the Match Event Length button. This becomes useful if your generated media has information that changes over time, like movement that you created with keyframes or scrolling credits. If you make an event longer than the generated media it holds, the movement you created loops and repeats. But you can easily update the generated media's length so that it matches the length of the event that holds it. Back in the timeline, the generated media now plays through without looping and precisely fills the entire length of the event. The Vegas Movie Studio HD Platinum New Project Experience takes the guesswork out of creating and delivering projects. When you start a new project, a dialog box opens with straightforward choices which help to make sure you get the best results from your video projects. Select from your region of the world. Choose from audio and video formats to match your source material and delivery choices. Enter a name for your project. Define where you want to save your project and media files. You can even automatically save your project media in the project folder. For advanced spot color correction or special effects, use the secondary color corrector. Choose the color you want to work with and adjust it independently with the color wheel. You can even isolate a color so that it stands out against a background of black and white. The Slideshow Creator tool enables you to import, organize, and customize your still photos. With it, you can quickly construct a slideshow movie. Browse to your pictures, select the photos you want, and add them to the picture workspace. You can rotate photos clockwise or counterclockwise and reorder them. You can then specify the slideshow's location in the timeline, each photo's duration, or the total duration of the entire slideshow. The tool adds transitions, panning, and zooms to your photos, and you can customize these effects to perfect your project. When you're done, you'll have a dynamic and attention-grabbing slideshow. Resurrect shaky and previously unusable footage with a few mouse clicks in Vegas Movie Studio HD Platinum. The Stabilize Media dialog box offers several optimized presets for image stabilization. Choose one based on the correction needed. This replaces the original clip in the timeline with a new clip in which the shaky image has been stabilized. With Vegas Movie Studio HD Platinum, you can easily correct the white balance of your footage. Just click on any object in your video that should be white. The plugin analyzes what you click on and makes any adjustment necessary to make that color a more true white. Use the controls to change the amount of correction or adjust the clip's brightness. Vegas Movie Studio HD Platinum features a flexible and intuitive interface. You can move windows around to suit your specific working style. You can dock and undock windows in the window docking area, or create floating docks and place them wherever you want on your screen, or on multiple screens if you have more than one in your setup. You can hide these windows and show them again when you need them. You also have great control over the way you use and manage window layouts. A menu-based user interface makes it easy to save, recall, and even share your custom window layouts.